Start. Sir, each anniversary of independence is sacred to the country. Stop. On each anniversary, we remember our freedom fighters. Stop. On this day, we recall the builders of modern India. Stop. Today, standing on the sacred soil of Red Fort, I recall 1857 when our first freedom fighters came to this red fort. Stop. I recall 1945 when soldiers of the Indian National Army were prosecuted here. Stop. Their only crime was that they fought for the freedom of the motherland. Stop. In 1947, at this very place, Panditji hoisted the flag of independent India. Stop. Today, when we are assembled here, we remember the ideals, the principles, the values, and the dreams which inspired our freedom fighters to win freedom for the country. Stop. Today, all of us assembled here dedicate ourselves to that cause. Para. On this 40th anniversary, we naturally think not only of the events of the last 1 year but of the last 40 years. Stop. At the same time, we look forward to the future as well. Stop. Our elders got us freedom and entrusted us with the responsibility of safeguarding and maintaining that freedom. Stop. It is our responsibility to protect it. Stop. During these 4 decades, we faced many situations, a number of threats, and also pressures. Stop. We faced conspiracies, we faced aggressions. Stop. We did not bend, we protected the unity and integrity of India with our courage, our blood, and our sacrifices. Stop. We showed to the world that India is strong, India is one, and it cannot be divided. Stop. We demonstrated to the world that no one can enslave us again. Stop. We made it clear that nobody can weaken the unity of India. Stop. We made it evident that no sacrifice is too big for the security of our country, the independence of our country, and the unity of our country. Stop. No amount of labor, no amount of sacrifice is too high a price to pay for this purpose. Stop. Our soldiers, our officers give the best years of their lives to guard our frontiers and to defend us. Stop. In return, we look after them, we provide them with the best of weaponry and ammunition. Stop. We see to it that they get the best tools. Stop. We are pledged to do so. Stop. The freedom of India means that we should strengthen the roots of democracy and hold impartial elections in which every citizen can participate. Stop.